Hi everyone, so today we're going to be talking about how to simplify fractions. The first fraction I want to start out with is 4/6. Okay, when I simplify a fraction, I want to divide, and in order to divide, I want to know what is the largest number that can go into both my numerator and my denominator, which in this case are 4 and 6. In order to find out that largest number, which is called the greatest common factor, or the GCF, I need to find the factors of both 4 and 6. In order to do that, I want to make a factor rainbow for 4 and a factor rainbow for 6. Now, if you're thinking, what on earth is a factor rainbow? It's just a way that we've shown students how to list out their fractions, list out their factors. So I'm going to start out with the factors of 4. I know that my first factors of 4 are 1 and 4. 1 times 4 is 4. Next factors of 4 are 2 and 2. 2 times 2 is 4. There are my factors of 4. For 6, I know that 1 times 6 is 6, and 2 times 3 is 6. There are my factors of 6. The greatest common factor, meaning the largest factor they have in common, is 2. That is the biggest number they both have. So I will take my 4/6, my original fraction, and I'm going to again divide. And I want to divide by 2. 4 divided by 2 is 2, and 6 divided by 2 is 3. So once I've simplified, 4/6 has turned into 2/3. Let's try another example, something slightly bigger. Let's try 6/18. So again, that first step I want to do is find out what is the greatest common factor. What is that largest number I can divide both 6 and 18 by? So I'm going to start by finding my factors of 6 and my factors of 18. I know that 1 times 6 is 6, and 2 times 3 is 6. There are all my factors of 6. I know that 1 times 18 is 18, and 2 times 9 is 18, and last, 3 times 6 is 18. So there are my factors of 18. What is the largest number they have in common? If you said 6, you're right. The largest number that 6 and 18 have in common is 6. I'm going to rewrite my number, 6/18. And again, when we simplify, we're dividing. I'm going to divide by that GCF, that greatest common factor. 6 divided by 6 is 1. 18 divided by 6 is 3. So when I simplified 6/18, it turned it into 1/3. Hopefully this helps you understand how to simplify fractions. Thanks for listening.